Debby, by the way, if you are new here. Currently in the car with Samson. We are heading to IKEA. It's a spontaneous plan of today. We are very tired. We had a pretty fun weekend so far. Today is Sunday, the 3rd of November already. Like, the year is flying by. And it's almost my birthday. Last night we went to a birthday dinner to celebrate Rejan's birthday. He's 20 now, like that is crazy. Rejan is my cousin's son. We went out to eat with the family and then we went to their house. We stayed there until like midnight, something like that. We arrived home, but we did not go to sleep because we really wanted to catch up on
Lincoln Lawyers.
Was it Lincoln Lawyers? No, it wasn't Lincoln Lawyers.
Mokro Mafia.
Mokro Mafia, yeah, we wanted to catch up on Mokro Mafia, and the last 2 episodes, oh my god, so gruesome but really good. Yeah guys, we'll be at IKEA in 4 minutes. I guess I'm just gonna see you guys there because my arm is like burning. I'm holding up this camera. Really? I know. It's very busy in this room. I like this corner.
Ecco, você vê assim aqui.
Oh, ang ganda ang bar. I like that Christmas tree. It's very dark though. Goodness.
This is... Oh my god.
Okay. Oh my goodness. It's a kingdom. But afmeting ako. Yes. I came here for this.
No, diferente. Put in egg glue.
I came here special for this. Especially for this. Oh no. Okay.
Maar ik bought in die is lang egg.
I like this one. This is a new one. It's called the Winter Fint. Very Christmas. Very on. This smells like for your toilet.
Okay.
That's what I. Oh. This one is very good. The apple one. But I think this one is my favorite.
Vak nummer 9.
27. Okay. a groceries haul. So let's start with the cake. Carrot cake, essential. Essential on a Sunday. We need bread for the week.
You're weak.
My week.
You are weak.
Oh.
Bread for the week.
For the week. Mushrooms, because we are making pizza tonight. Pepperoni. Some cheese. Mozzarella. And some bananas. Samson is already on assembling. Let's see.
Probably have to open the other one first.
Fix it all up in your business.
Like
I totally forgot to show you guys what other stuff we got from IKEA. We got this to put our soap in the shower. We also got a new one of this one. We already have one of these, but I think that this one will be better because it's like for the corner. So we end up saving some space. Let me see. Oh, litter for Pixie. We didn't get this from IKEA, but it was in the same bag. So we got a new toilet brush because in my opinion, like, you just need to replace these once in a while, you know, because you don't want a crusty looking toilet brush. I think that this is exactly the one we have right now, but yeah, just the new one. Fresh. If you own a cat, like, these are really handy. Like, I clean my clothes obviously with these, my jackets, everything like that, and also my couch. That is how my house stays, you know, clean when it comes to Pixie's hair. I also got a candle. This is like a new one and it's she's playing with her ball. She's so cute. Let me show you guys. Yeah, this is her actually. Crazy. Yeah. But yeah, like I was saying, I got a new candle and this is a new scent, especially for the Christmas time. I just think it smells very good. It smells exactly like a chai latte. I love the smell so much. And last but not least, I got these gingerbread houses because this is actually the reason why we went to IKEA, because I saw this on TikTok and I wanted to buy me some to do with my niece because she will be coming here in December and I think this is a nice activity to do with her. And I saw this one online because I was gonna buy a gingerbread kit online, but it was like 25 euros just for one, and I ended up buying these ones. I think like each pack was $3.29 or something like that, and I had to buy the decoration kits separately. I think they were like $2 something separately, and also the baking glue so we can stick everything together. And I believe like in total I paid less than 25, so yeah, definitely a steal. This is gonna be the first time me making one or assembling one, so definitely excited for that.
A mãe não te deu colo. Qual foi o trauma de infância? Houve uma maldição na sua geração. Pra explicar essa discrepância inédita, pode engolir seu fel, você não vai apagar as estrelas do céu. A terra tem o poder, o dinheiro não vai pagar o seu sofrer cessar.
Ooh. So, good morning. Today is the 8th of November and I'm currently at my nail girl because I have an appointment at 11:45 and it's currently 11:40. So, I made it just in time. Like, I'm so happy I made it on time. But yeah, guys, today I have a few things that I need to do. Like, for instance, I need to take care of the stash. Right now, I'm going to take care of these nails because look, like this time 4 of them broke and it's like my middle and my, how do you say, index finger, and that's like for both hands. So I don't know what she's gonna do. Maybe she's gonna like cut all my nails and, you know, start back from scratch. Or maybe she'll give me some length for the ones that I'm missing. I don't know yet, but yeah. We're just gonna have to see. But yeah, like I said, I have an appointment at 11:45 to do my nails. So in 4 minutes. And I washed my hair this morning and I don't have any products in it because I will be blow drying my hair later on because tomorrow I am going to get my hair done. I'm gonna let my cousin put in some braids, so I'm very excited for that. I'm not excited for the fact that I will be sitting there like for hours, but yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm so excited for the hairstyle. I found it on TikTok actually, so I'm pretty curious to see how she's gonna execute it. But yeah, once I'm finished with my nails, I need to go to Zuidplein. It's like a indoors Winkelcentrum shopping center. Yeah, it's like an indoor shopping center. I need to go there because I still need to go buy the hair for tomorrow. I totally forgot about that part. It's definitely like winter season, very cold. I got my new trench coat on today. I love this chocolate color. But yeah, it's 11:43, so let's step out of the car to fix these nails because they're really tragic. But yeah, let me just grab my bag. I also brought a banana because I haven't had breakfast yet. Let's go. It's definitely time to fix these nails up. I look crazy. I broke 4 of my nails and I want to see how my nail tech is going to fix this. guys, so this is the after. This is how my nails end up looking. I love them so much. They look very good, and you can't even tell that I have broken nails, so yay. My nail tech, she really did that, because look at my nails. You see that? Like, she fixed all my broken nails, everything, and now I have this beautiful color with the red top. I think it's perfect for the season. It's a little bit dark. It's so gloomy outside. It's so cold. But yeah, I'm so happy with my nails. I thought that she was going to like cut them all short so I can start growing them out again, but woo! Okay, so right now we are going to a Zipline so I can buy the hair, and after that we're going home so I can start straightening my hair. But yeah, I did not tell you guys last time I came to do my nails. I was in such a hurry that I got a fine. Your girl got its first fine ever because I was driving too fast. Wasn't even that fast, but you was allowed to drive like 50 and I was driving like 57, something like that. So with correction it's like 3 kilometers or 4 too fast. But yeah, and the gag is like it's on Samson's name because it's Samson's car, so he got the fine, and I was like, I'ma shut up and just let him figure this one out. And he did. He figured it out because he told me, did you get this fine by any chance? Because on that day I did not drive the car, and he was right. It was me. Oh, my first fine ever.
Try to hold me, I don't want no scrubs and I can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of the best race right. Try to holler at me, I don't want no scrubs, ain't no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side.
Alright guys, so we've made it. I'm pretty close to Zipline actually, but I can get closer on that side because they're working on the street. So I just parked my car here, and yeah, we're just gonna walk to Zipline. I think it's like a 5-minute walk, so we should be alright. But yeah, let me put parking on because yeah, we don't want to get another fine for not paying for parking. Walking to Zipline. So I'm pretty close. Okay, so let's see where I can cross the road. Oh my god, it's closed here. Oh my god. Where do I cross? Okay. Yeah. Okay, so I need 1B, she said, and I need 6 of these, which I think 3 is for 8, so 6 is for 16. That's a good price. Alright, cool. Made it back home. Let me show you guys the hair that I bought. So I ended up getting this one, French braid and 1B, and I got 6 of these for like 16 euros, so that is very good. And I also, oh, she put some samples in. I like that. Love me some samples. But yeah, I also bought a bonnet. So I got this 24 inches long wide band braid bonnet because I want to keep my braids in for as long as possible, and yeah, I thought that I would have to buy a bonnet. So yeah, I got this one, and this one it's $14.99, so 15 euros. And guys, yesterday I also bought a new perfume. It's a new perfume, but not new for me. I've been using this for a few years now, and ever since I finished the bottle, I didn't buy me a new one. And I actually really love this perfume because one of my cousins, Monica, this is like her holy grail, and I just love the way she smelled every time that I would see her. So yeah, she actually put me onto this perfume, and I love it so much. It's very soft, and I really love that it's really long lasting. So love that fact about this one. Usually this one goes for like 40 something or 50 euros because this is the 70 ml one. Because this store is about to close, they had like a big sale. Like everything was for like 30% up to 70%, and I actually paid 20 euros for this one. And what I really loved was that the woman she gave me so many samples, like a lot of samples, guys. And if you know me, you know that I just love my samples, so I just have a lot. Like, let me just show you guys a few. Yeah, it's a lot of samples, okay? So right now it's currently 14:40. So yeah, your girl is very hungry. All I ate was the banana, and that's just not enough. So I'm just gonna fix me a broodje gezond, how they call it here in Dutch. It's like a very healthy sandwich. I'm just gonna put like cheese, tomato, cucumber, what else? Boiled eggs. I don't know if I have lettuce. If I have, I'm gonna put it in the sandwich as well. And yeah, that's just the broodje gezond. But yeah, guys, I'm just going to relax, eat, and then we need to start with the hair. Today is the 9th of November. It's almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and I am heading to my hair appointment right now. But yeah, like I was telling you guys, I am going to do braids in my hair, and I picked a specific hairstyle that I wanted to do on TikTok. So I'm very curious to see how it's gonna look on me and how my cousin is going to execute it. But I am going to take you guys in that process along this long journey today. We stopped by Cakes by K just to have something sweet to eat while we are getting our hair done. And this is, I got 4 cakes. Let me zoom you guys in. So I got 4 cakes. 1 tres leches, 2 regular cake, and 1 red velvet. Yeah, guys, if you're in Rotterdam and you're looking for a nice cake, Cakes by K.